Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. Today I'm checking out the Euhomy ice maker. This thing makes round ice balls that are 2.5 inches. This box came with some straps on it. Just take off the straps and then this just comes right off the top here. Little ice tongs we got here. Then we got our drip tray here. All right. Oh wow, what is that made? Did you guys hear that? Okay, let's take this tape off. Kind of fancy looking ice maker, honestly. Yeah, initially looks very solidly built. Just filled this up with water down in there, up to the max line. And then I just hit the clean button. We got this nice big display here. It tells you how long it's cleaning for. And look at that, you can turn the light on, turn the light off. It's very nice, very good looking. You get how big it is though, kind of fits right under my counter here. And it's a good looking appliance. Okay, ran a clean cycle. Basically just take this tray out, the ice tray, and then fill this up with water. We have a max line in here. Okay, so we see our water is full there. We'll just put our tray back in and let's make some ice. So it's a crystal ice, so that's a very nice one. Let's do the rapid one. Switch to rapid. Starts going to work here. So it's 10:50 and we just started. I like how it gives us like live updates here on when the ice is going to be ready, and it's going to work, so we'll see how long it takes here. Okay, while this is making our ice here, I'm going to set up the app. So just hit the pair with app. Our Wi-Fi thing kicks on. We just go to add device. Okay, it found it there. Click on that. Okay, put in our password. Little Wi-Fi thing is flashing. Okay, well, that's pretty cool. So it tells us, hey, it's making ice in rapid mode. The ambient temperature 86, water temperature 46. We got the light. We can turn it on. We can turn it off with our thing. We can hit the release. We can do the clean. We can do everything from this app. That's very cool. So we're at 0% of the making the ice in rapid mode. We can set up a schedule. When to make our ice. If you want, hey, I'm having a dinner party and want some cool ice at this time, boom. I like that you can, it tells you the total and everything like that. So very user-friendly, pretty easy to connect, just hook it up and you're good to go. Yeah, but pretty excited to be checking out this ice here. I like this magnetic water tray, drip tray catcher too, so just the magnets make it position on there accurately. Boom, boom, boom. More fluid. Check that out. We got basically just a pure like crystal ball of ice here. Very cool. It's a solid chunk there. I mean, check that out. That's a pretty sweet there. So this will crank out the, whether you want the solid ones or you want the hollow ones. And once they're in there, like it'll hold like 6. And if you want to hold it, you can switch over to hold, and it basically lowers the temperature in there and keeps them. So say you're having a dinner party later, set your app, crank out like 6 of these, put them on the hold, and it's going to make sure that it's going to maintain. They're not just going to melt all the way. Although these are like, takes a long time for these to melt if you're even sitting outside. But with this hold thing, cools down the temperature in there, so it keeps them for you for when you're ready. So let's make some more crystal ice, shall we? Okay, so if we do the crystal, it's like that. Check that thing out. It's a solid block of ice there. And the other ones are hollow. So the ones, if you do rapid, they're going to be hollow like this. And the crystal ones are are a solid, just an ice ball. That's crazy. So I think they took about the same amount of time actually, but they're pretty sweet. Okay. Ooh, where is solid? Let's put one of those solid ones in. Not so solid one. So cool. Oh, look at that, the bubbles are inside there. I think that is really cool, actually. All right, friends, as we can see, this thing is pretty cool, very unique ice cubes. And these, like the solid ones, those are gonna last a long time in your beverages. Keep them cool. It looks really cool. You can, with the app, you can just get them all ready if you want. This will hold up to 6, I believe. And then you can store them in your freezer or something else like that if you need more. But I mean, 6 is good for 6 drinks. Like if you do the crystal ones, it's gonna last you all day. Pretty much in there, keep all your beverages cool. Very, very neat. Works pretty efficiently, pretty fast for using a solid ball of ice in roughly about 45 minutes or so, give or take. I like the nice big display on there. It tells you when to add water. The app is super user friendly too. If you guys are looking to check out a sweet ice maker for all your different beverages, check this one out. I'm gonna link it in the description below. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time.